Hi, this is Marco from Emerald Sky, just here to talk to you about SSL certificates. You may be already wondering, why is everybody speaking about SSL certificates and why are they so important? So right now we're going to talk of why Google loves SSL certificates so much. So the first thing is SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, which the keyword is secure. So all the search giants are all looking for to give your customers a secure experience. In other words, they want you to have such security and privacy that your customers will feel safe when you come into their website. So that's one of the main important things. And another thing is that you're probably losing leads because Google actually penalizes companies that don't have an SSL certificate because of the security issue. So they actually will put you down in the rankings even if you have a very, very good SEO optimized website. So the other thing is also that, say you're already on the top, somehow you still made it anyways, but if your customers go into your website and they see this big thing that says you're coming into an unsecure website, you know, your privacy is at risk, you might be hackers may trying to get your information. So even if this isn't true, they'll still immediately say, I want to just get out of here, and they'll click away from your website. So that's very, very problematic for you. So there you have it. This is why it is so important to have an SSL certificate and why Google loves it so much. And then if you would like help with an SSL certificate or how to install it, how to figure all that out, just give us a call at 561-320-7773 or visit us at emeraldskygroup.com. See you next time for some more internet marketing tips. This is Marco from Emerald Sky. Hope to talk to you soon again.